Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with Phone Arena. So this is the Micromax Canvas 3D. We recently reviewed it and a lot of you have been asking us about the gaming performance of this device. So this retails at 10,000 rupees and has the MediaTek MT6577 processor with a PowerVR GPU. So this has only 512 MB of RAM and 4 gigabytes of internal memory with only 1.4 gigabytes of usable internal storage. So we were not really able to install the huge games that we usually do and test out the graphics performance. Even free games like Real Racing 3, they refused to install because of the lack of internal memory. So uh, we are going to show you just three games, two endless running games, Temple Run 2 and Subway Surfers. We will ensure that we will set Temple Run 2 to the highest graphics, and since it is based on the Unity engine, it is pretty heavy on the graphics. Dead Trigger is a nice game with great graphics and is also based on the Unity engine. Subway Surfers, another fun game, endless running game, just like Temple Run, and has pretty neat graphics which sometimes tend to lag in lower price devices such as this. So let's start with Subway Surfers then. This is going to be the first time opening the game, so just bear with us for the intro guide and whatever. So this is a 5-inch display, so the real estate is pretty good for gaming, pretty favorable, we'll say. So the gameplay is not entirely fluid. It is lagging in some parts. We're just pacing it through. Uh, Not as fluid as the MT6589 based phones, but this is pretty playable. Not too bad. And yeah, that's pretty good. So that was a quick look at the gaming performance of Subway Surfers. Moving on to the Dead Trigger. This is a zombie based game, zombie survival game. Uh, just a shooter actually, and is based on the Unity engine, so you could expect nice graphics here. The battery is slightly low, but anyway, we'll just load up the game. I don't think it'll be uh, a performance deterrent in any way. So, this is the third mission we are playing here. It goes outside, so it is pretty good. The graphics are, that is, and the performance, let's judge once it loads up. So, yes, the performance is actually pretty good, not too bad at all. So, we'll be just running around to see. Okay. That was pretty scary, but yeah, as you can see, the graphics are pretty good and it is working out really well for now. The performance is really good. Since this is a 800 by 480 screen, you're not going to notice much of a lag or whatever. But yeah, that's about it. That's Dead Trigger on the Micromax Canvas 3D, one of the less sized good graphic games that we could find. Let's move on to the other game then. Temple Run 2, that'll be final. This is also the first time we are opening this. Let's put it to best visual quality. So as you can see here, it pretty much lags a lot. This is certainly uh, unplayable, we would say, because there is lag in touch and the draw distance seems to be totally screwed up. It's very laggy. Uh, so yeah, that certainly indicates that high graphics performance is not really uh, this phone's job. So this is a 3D phone, and there are some 3D games, and unfortunately on the camera it's pretty hard to show. But we will show you what you get here. Just click the 3D games thing, and you have Fruit Devil and Subway Surfers that can play in the 3D mode. So just let's open Subway Surfers here. So the 3D mode was initially activated, and it is activating, trying to get the bit depth of the game. So let's load it up and see. You might see the yep, it is rendering it in 3D. So this guy who is blurred on the camera is jumping out of the screen. So let's see how it performs. So the coins are floating on the screen, but the experience overall is pretty I don't know, headache inducing perhaps, because it is post processed 3D and everything is like, I don't know, it's not good for my eyes at least. So anyway, that was a quick demo of 3D gaming on the Micromax Canvas 3D, which might be a thing you're looking forward to, but I would say not so much. So anyway, so yeah, that was a quick gaming performance review of the Micromax Canvas 3D. We haven't shown you much games, but that's mainly because of the lack of internal storage. But do let us know in the comment section if you want to see more games on future gaming performance reviews. So you can list down the games which are free or either that cost, that will have a really small size. For example, like Dead Trigger, which is only 200 and odd MB, which could be installed in under a GB, or at least in under 500 MB. So if there are good graphically intensive games at that size, do let us know in the comment section below, and we'll try to include it in our next upcoming performance reviews. So this is Bharadwaj signing off. Do hit the like button if you like this video, and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.